going to take the body. So take this hand and you're going to use your thumb and finger right on the neck. And with your other hand, you're going to put your thumb under there. The first two fingers come across, and these two go there. And bend those knuckles so they go down a little bit more.
Like that?
Yeah, it's good.
You need more room that way?
Mm-mm.
Sorry, I put those on the wrong side. The leg bands.
That's all right.
I'll remember now on the right leg, not left leg.
As you can see. You can see it over here. Not a battery.
Charge. After this one, we'll do my phone, or use your phone after this one. Whenever we got to get the recording thing. Yeah, it didn't charge on the way over here for some reason. You get back to Leland yet, or you still yet to go?
No, he's all done. I've seen him last week, and I saw him the week before.
Yeah, I remember you just come from there from Clemens when I was at Clemens. Yeah.
A man with too many Quakers.
Gee, you don't have no problem selling them. So I'm here to tell you.
Well, that's good, because he has a lot.
Sometimes I do. I don't understand how that works, but like last month I had. Oh wait, can you do that?
And baby girl.
Girl.
Okay, now if they don't bleed, we just put a drop of glue on them. And a little antibiotic. And let go there. And then we tattoo on the left wing. And that's it. You want the band recorded? Do you care about a record or not?
Not no.
146. I'll write it down anyway.
That'd be
JB
fine.
146. Okay. And that's just a bluebird, isn't it?
Well, it's a blue palette. I'm hoping it's
Oh,
split to
okay.
crossover. I'm hoping it's got some turquoise in it, doesn't it? Or is that just a palette?
Well, normally palette doesn't have that much. So, but we'll just call it a blue palette. All right, last name again.